dream I know deep up my feelings for you.
The Young Edo Professionals, a political group, says that Philip Shaibu, the restated deputy governor of Edo State, cannot win any election in the state. My people, love is what we go. But after this, we have Edo State chapter of the Labour Party has felicitated with the barrister Julius Abure, the national chairman of the party, over his victory at the Federal High Court sitting in Benin, which struck out those suits challenging his legitimacy as national chairman of the party. My promise will go. But guys, before I will bring the matter, go like, welcome on especially to my wonderful channel, Reality Latest Gist, your home of news and politics. Thank you so much for joining us on today's news. If today is the first time of watching, kindly subscribe, like, comment, share, but don't forget to turn on notification bell so that anytime our news drop, I can be the first to watch and my people no be small matter they happen for this country. But we're gonna relax, I'm gonna bring the matter one after the other as they come our way. To all amazing subscribers, thank you so much for joining us. So my people, let's dive into the main story. The Young Edo Professionals, a political group, says that Philip Shaibu, the restated deputy governor of the state, cannot win an election in Edo State. My people don't be small matter. Philip Shaibu and Governor Godwin Obaseki, the governor of Edo State, has been at loggerheads following the deputy governor's interest in contesting the 2024 Edo State governorship election. In April, the Edo State House of Assembly impeached Philip Shaibu for misconduct, perjury, and disclosure of government secrets. Earlier this month, the Federal High Court in Abuja ordered Philip Shaibu restatement. People that want not to Philip Shaibu can't dump the People Democratic Party for the All Progressive Congress. People not be only him, he defected from PDP to APC alongside his supporters and members of the Legacy Group, led by Danobi. So on Saturday, he said on behalf of the Legacy Group that he wants to announce his movement to the APC. So right now, he is going to APC to add value to the party because it is time for them to take Edo State back. And they are not going to talk too much because action will speak for them. And they are not afraid as well that they are ready to move Edo State forward. Shaibu said that he's a homeboy and Mondo Bobolo is a homeboy. So they are ready to take Edo State back through the APC governorship candidate Mondo Bobolo and his running mates Dennis Idawasa. They are not troublemakers. But if it comes, they are going to use it to rub their body and move on. My people, this one after court don't restate him as deputy governor of Edo State. Just barely one day. Now Philip Shaibu migrate to APC. His action left people talking. Many people come to talk say Governor Godwin Obaseki was right all this wise. That his mind has always been on APC. Before he go quickly go leak their secrets, may they quickly impeach him. I make Governor Godwin Obaseki call impeach him. But the chairman of Edo PDP, Tony Ezebami, said that Philip Shaibu exit no affects the party at all. He boasted that those eager to join the PDP after Philip Shaibu exit were even more than those leaving the party for opposition parties. Tony Ezebami said that one not going to make PDP fail in this forthcoming governorship election, that every vote counts. Even though Philip Shaibu will leave or not, that the party will still emerge victorious. So now, in a statement on Tuesday, Ccė0UT Anselm, the leader of the youth Edo profession, Ccė0UT talks say, Philip Shaibu, the deputy governor for Edo State, has never won any election in his entire political career. So it's a waste of time for any politician to take Philip Shaibu serious. That politically Philip Shaibu cannot win an election, but he hides behind others to gain political relevance. But people don't be small matter. He no end there. He say Philip Shaibu is simply a noisemaker who moves from one political party to another because of his selfish interest, knowing too well that on his own he can never win any election. My people, this bags was too much. So guys, I would like to know what you think about this matter in our comment section. I would like to hear from Bunda. Once again, thank you so much for staying to us. Moving on to the next one. The Federal High Court sitting in Benin, the Edo State capital, on Monday struck out a suit challenging the legitimacy of Barrister Julius Abure's national chairmanship of the party. Harry Nigbinedo, the Edo State Publicity Secretary of the Labour Party, in her statements, said that they received with great excitement the verdict of the Federal High Court sitting in Benin, striking out the suit challenging Abure's legitimacy as the national chairmanship of their great party. So this judgment is a victory for the constitution of their party, which clearly states that no ward, local government, or state has the power to suspend or remove the national chairman from office, as only a 2/3 majority vote from a national convention organized by the national chairman solely for that purpose can remove the national chairman from office. So the State Working Committee, under the able chairmanship of the Right Honorable Elizabeth Ative, hereby call on members and supporters of their great party to rally around their national chairman to deliver victory of their party and their candidate in the September 21st election. Abure was accused of mismanagement of funds, and at the National Electoral Commission, they sought the retirement of the funds as it pertained to money used in buying of forms. So they weren't satisfied with Abure. Now make the talk say any person who alleges should go to court. That if Abure is guilty, he will refund the money. So many people got the talk say Abure was in Labour Party without anybody. So the Nigerian Labour Congress was not helping financially. And Nigerian Labour Congress has subvention from the government. They say Abure was buying some office material alone, taking care of the office alone. That there was a time Labour Party did not have an office. But Abure fought for that office for Labour Party by people don't be small matter. Abure's victory is coming at a time when the state is in their need of good governance. So it should be seen as an impetus to win the governorship election for Labour Party. So they therefore urge all the members of the party and obedient supporters in Edo State that they should continue their evangelism to take back Edo State and Nigeria from this hardship. My people be small matter. So I go like know what to think about this issue in the comment section. I go like hear from now. Once again, thank you so much for staying to us. We do appreciate it. But if you haven't subscribed to our page yet, please do us a favor to like and subscribe and also share. But don't forget to turn on notification bell to get notified whenever we drop our video, because I'm sure you don't want to miss out the channel latest news happening on social media. To all amazing subscribers, thank you so much for staying to us. To all our viewers out there, thank you so much for staying to us. On this note, we have come to the end of today's segment. Till I come your way next, stay safe guys. Bye.